Hi everybody, it's Alana with J Love Jewelry. In this video I'm going to be unboxing my Halloween kit, Spook Up Some Fun. This is a limited edition kit from Simon Says Stamp. Unfortunately I was unable to get my hands on the other Halloween kit they had, but I'm still extremely happy I got this one, so let's unbox it together. So this kit was $49.99, which is a little more than your monthly kits are if you subscribe. But it also has a lot more things in it. They also have pictures of things that they made with the kit, so you can go online and see what you can do with it. So the first thing they have is Simon Says Stamp. Spook Up Some Fun is what this one is. So there's all kinds of different things on here. There's pumpkins and candy and ghosts and witches and different Halloween things. And again, this is one of those huge stamps. This retails at $25. So that's really cool. And then we have some Brutus Monroe glitter glaze, 1.5 ounces. This is glow in the dark, which is super cool. I've never seen this before, but I'm kind of new to card making, so you know, I will have to look up how to use it, which is great about the internet. This sells for $6.99 online. And then we have Tim Holtz Ideology Creepy Eyes. Now it looks like the one eye fell off of the eyeball here, but that's fine. I have E6000. If you don't have E6000, you should get some because it really is great for any kind of gluing permanent type things on there, where Elmer's or super glue just isn't, or not super glue might work, but a hot glue gun just is not gonna cut it. So the retail on these ones is $5.99. And then we've got this ephemera pack, a die cut card stock pieces from Cartabella Paper Company. It's Happy Halloween. There's 33 pieces in here. Oh look, I don't have to open it up. You can see everything that they've got on there. Again, what I like about these kits is that you get some things in there that are stash building like this, the stamps, and you get things that you can definitely use and learn as you go if you're new to using some things, and everything's put together in a coordinating theme, which is great. Then I've got 3 different stencils here. I've got bats, skeletons, and a ghost, and these are $4.99 each. From what I did quickly look at, you can use these for stencils, and that'd be really cool to have some glow-in-the-dark glittery skeletons or ghosts or something like that. And then we have Multi-Medium Matte from Ranger. I'm not really sure what to use this for or how to use it. It says it can be used for a whole bunch of different things on here. I'm gonna look this up. This is a ½ ounce and it retails for $2.50. And then there's a spatula type thing, or I forget what you call it. I think it's a spatula, but trowel maybe, that you can use for this to spread on the glitter glue. Next is, I forgot what it was called, but it's like some sort of I don't know, like a treat bag. I guess you could probably use it to make a shaker card. I don't know. I'll have to see how to use this online. And then there's treat bags. So if you wanted to make treat bags, you could. I might do that, I might not. We'll see. But there's paper bags to do that with. I honestly don't care one way or the other for paper bags. I can get those at the dollar store, but everything else in this kit is great so far. Like over here, you've already got over $60 worth of merchandise at retail price, so you know the value of the kit's there, even if I don't care about some treat bags. I mean, that's just a personal thing. Then we've got some envelopes. There's a cream colored envelope, kind of an orange color, and then like a glittery black. They always send some envelopes in their kits, it seems like, which is great. And then you've got some Tim Holtz charms here. One says spooky, one says poison. I think these could vary from kit to kit, what they say. And then there's some like twine in this bag as well. Then there's some 6x6 cardstock paper with all kinds of different Halloween stuff on it, which is cool. Oh, I like the vintage stuff. I'm a very vintage person. I'm definitely going to be using some of these little vintagey things. And then I think this is the Tim Holtz metallic cardstock sheets, just because I saw them in the other kits. It's the 8x8. And then as far as these cardstocks are, we've got dark gray, maybe a slate gray, an orange, a black, and a white. So yeah, there is a lot in this kit. You've got, if you consider the cardstock ones, that you've got one, I'm considering the paper item, all these little things, one item. 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different things in here. And again, these are some things in here that you're going to be able to reuse year after year as long as you take good care of them, like your stamps and your stencils. There's not just consumable items in this kit. I'm really excited about it. It just kind of got into card making, so I don't have a ton of supplies. So this is a really affordable way for me to do these things. Alright, hopefully I'll have a few pictures of some cards at the end of the video for you. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook at Jewelry and on Instagram. The only thing I really used on this one were the stencils with the bats. I used the postcard from another club that I subscribed to, but I just kind of like the idea of the glow-in-the-dark glitter bats on that. So there's this one. For this one I used the big spiderweb paper and then the trick or treat sign, and I had these fuzzy spider stickers that I got at Walmart, so I threw one of those on there. So there's tricks and treats, I guess, or if you go for the treats you're gonna get your hand caught in a spiderweb is my idea, because I have a sick sense of humor. It may not make sense to all of you, but that's okay. On this one, I used the Tim Holtz eyes, and then the little charm that says spooky. I don't know how many of you have cats, but I have cats, and suddenly they'll just stare at the wall for no reason. So I kind of did this thing like there's monsters there or something staring back at them that we can't see. That's kind of the idea for it. I used a scrap piece of orange paper that I had, and then I tied the spooky on kind of like a necklace or like a collar, more like a collar, so it hangs down like that. And then the cat stickers and brads I got from another kit. I was just using up some leftovers because why not, and it worked well. So, and then on this one I used the envelope, and this was the envelope addressing stencil that I put some white ink on top of so that people can write on there the address. This was from the thank you kit, the limited edition one from Simon Says Stamp. And then on this one I just used the bat stencil and the Let's Spook Up Some Fun. I used the ghost paper from Pat that I had already because I liked the tie-in of the ghosts. Then a bat sticker I got from the dollar store. So on this one I inked down first white ink so that you can see the ghost when even if it's not glowing in the dark, and then when it's in the dark it'll glow in the dark. So yeah, that's what I did so far with my Simon Says Stamp Halloween kit. Like I said, I only got the one. I think it was splits. I don't remember what it was. I think it it was Spook Up Some Fun. I wasn't able to get my hands on the other one, but of course all the supplies are available always on Simon Says Stamp individually, so even if this kit is sold out, you can still get individual elements if you like those better. Alright, thanks for watching!